government. Look.
Oh.
Look.
Oh, will be dead. Oh.
The government.
Ah. 大家看，看到了吧？一只海豹死在了这个海滩上，这也没人打扫清扫。哎呀！ 好可怜呐，一只海豹。人挺有意思。我得还得吃点东西。哇，看这是什么？大家看这是什么？哇，这还活着呢，还这东西。哇，真神奇，真原生态这个海岸。哇，那是海豹吧？看看前头那个。 哇，这个海岸线啊，值得大家来。大家如果陆路入境智利的话，哈，记得一定要来阿里卡的这个海岸线上。哎呦，这真原生态，这个。大家看，又是一只死去的海豹。哇，这海岸线上，这又是一只死去的海豹。哎呦，天哪！ 哇，看这个，这是水母吧？哇，好神奇啊！这个地方。这海豹看这意思也没什么精神。快，拍段。 真神奇！
Oh, son is dead. Son is dead.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh.
The,
Oh, shit.
the
Oh.
government. Look.
Oh.
Look.
Oh, will be dead. Oh.
The government
Oh.
put the fucking vaccine
Oh.
for death more quickly.
Oh.
Look. Grab.
Oh.
Yes. Yeah. I think it's for the petroleum oil. It's escaping Peruvian. Yeah, and every sea animal
Oh.
respiraron sus pulmones con petróleo, oil, the pulmon. Uh-huh.
Oh.
And then say of the COVID, of the fucking gripe aviar.
Get COVID vaccine?
No, it's not fucking COVID.
Oh.
It's petróleo, oil,
Oh.
oil. It's the
Oil. Oh.
oil.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh.
it's contact pollution.
Oh.
It's fucking pollution, and the ONU say is the COVID. It's not COVID. It's fucking pollution.
Oh, pollution.
Yeah, look. Put the vaccine for that more quickly. Look.
Oh.
Look. Huh?
Oh.
Ah, it's fucking ONU. Yeah, he said. Sumin said.
Oh my god.
What's your name?
Zhenhai.
What?
Zhenhai.
Shanghai.
Chinese, yeah.
China.
Yeah.
Ah, do you like the communist government?
Sorry.
Do you like the communist government?
Light.
Do you like the
Yes, I like there.
no communist regime, communist government, communist
Government.
no
I
communist government, communist.
I don't understand. Where are you from?
From Chile, from
Oh, you're from Chile.
Arica.
Oh, your country is so beautiful.
this city. No, it's not big.
Ah. That, yes.
Yeah, it's the pollution. The Greek company
Yeah.
escaped the fucking oil
Ah.
and pollution every Pacific coast. And
Okay.
then say, no, not, it's COVID. It's not COVID, fucking, it's not COVID.
No color.
It's pollution.
Pollution. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Shit.
Your country is very rich. I think. I heard your country is very rich. The rich country, the best rich in the
Other country?
South American.
Yeah. Yeah.
Everything is expensive.
But the ONU, ¿cómo se dice? The ONU, what's the name? Bring many immigrants. Yeah.
Immigration
Yeah.
to there.
The ONU call for the immigrant come from Chile to attack Chile attack for immigrant.
Yeah.
And then wanna
The Chile is
change the system for the global South American communist system.
yeah.
But Chile, the people of the
Chile people are very rich. So they have so many money in the Chile people. Chile people have so many money. I think there is everything is expensive, very expensive.
not so rich. I think it's the middle class.
Middle class.
Middle class.
Oh.
No high rich, no poor. The middle.
Oh, middle. I think it's rich. It's not poor. Well,
it's not poor.
Very
But
expensive.
it's not rich. This construction,
Yeah.
you look, and the
Oh.
and the quick,
Yeah.
the construction.
Yeah.
This immigrant
Immigrant.
live
Oh.
in this new house.
Peru, immigrant.
Yeah,
to there.
immigrant. Yeah.
Ah.
The ONU, ¿cómo se dice? Call for them. Oh, come from Chile. Come
Yeah.
on from Chile. The ONU, fucking ONU.
Oh no.
It's a fucking shit. ONU. It's a really fucking shit. Call for the immigrant and
Immigrant.
then live in the cerros and
Ah.
the mountain.
They live in the mountain.
Every cerro. Look.
Oh.
Ah. Yeah.
But there everything is expensive. I need to pay so many money to the food, live. It's very expensive.
Yeah. The president of the Venezuela robbing every money, every petroleum, oil, and ¿cómo se dice? My English is bad.
Your English is good.
Okay.
Better than me. I just speak Chinese.
Yeah.
Your country is beautiful.
Yeah, but,
very beautiful.
Now, this city has a little pollution for the river. For the river.
River.
The river, outside for this area and
Beautiful.
you need it. you know the Moro? Moro?
Yeah.
Yeah. After
I live.
later the rock, you have the more beach and more clean beach.
more clean beach.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Later of the rock, the big rock.
Big
later.
rock. Oh.
Okay.
Bye,
to
my
meet
friend.
you.
Nice to meet you.